Look at this weld. I have no idea what happened here, but it's really bad. It's not really a problem though, because we can just cut it out and just redo it. But I don't think I'm even gonna do that. Maybe I will just grind it down and then just paint it, because it's not an important weld. It's just to close off the tube. So yeah, I don't really care. This usually happens when you don't have any gas. Then you can get this, and probably from some other reason as well, but that's the one I know. But the gas was on, so yeah, I have no idea what happened. Doesn't really matter. But anyway, it's kind of coming along nicely. It's starting to look like something. It's actually starting to look exactly like in the schematic. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. But we got some things still to do. We're gonna close off this tube here, and I'm gonna add some kind of tube between here, so just to strengthen this bar here. And also we have to fix the attachment point for the grapple. And yeah, and also this I think this is the weakest point of the whole construction. This is not really enough for the kind of force. If you apply a force out there, it will try to bend this, and this might warp or stretch somehow, or just rip off here. So yeah, I don't know. We will see when I wreck it. All right, let's see if we can try to mark where we need to bend this plate somehow. I hate gloves. You can't do anything with gloves on. So something like this, maybe. Let's just mark it here. Somehow. Yeah. Something like that. A little bit more. Bam. Yeah, right there. I think that's good enough. I think maybe we should try to take some off of these ridges here, just to make it settle a bit closer, I think. I actually find a better piece of metal here. It's 80 millimeters wide, so I don't have to cut it so much. I'm just gonna cut these off like maybe 35 millimeters or something. I can do that with the bandsaw. Alright, let's check if these are the same. Yes, they are. A little bit less than 35, but yeah, it's 34.5. That's close enough, it doesn't really matter. So basically this is what I was thinking, something like that, maybe. And the other one here, of course. I think that might work. And then some kind of bracing on the outside to strengthen it.